Thank you for tuning in to Times Now. I'm Pratibha and let's begin with breaking updates coming in. First, we saw the response of India shutting the Indus water tap. And India is now all set to take the next big step. A high-level meeting between the Home Minister as well as the Jal Shakti Minister is likely soon. With the Indus Water Treaty now suspended, India is in fact looking to revive key hydropower projects, especially in Jammu and Kashmir. So this is going to be very, very significant. It's not just a message being sent out by India, but there's going to be action on the ground. With the Indus Water Treaty now suspended, India is looking to revive key hydropower projects, especially in Jammu and Kashmir. The focus, in fact, now shifts to the fast-track development of the hydroelectric projects to fully utilize India's share of river waters. My colleague Pradeep Datta is on the broadcast with us with the details. Pradeep, India has made its intent absolutely clear within hours of the unfortunate tragedy taking place in Pahalgam. And now the action has begun as well. A high-level meeting taking place between the Home Minister and Jal Shakti Minister. Take us through the details of the key hydropower projects that will be put on fast-track mode and how this is going to affect Pakistan. All right, we'll try and reconnect that line with my colleague Pradeep Datta in just a moment. But remember, when the Indus Water Treaty had been put in abeyance, there were many who also raised some questions on what is the impact it's going to have. In fact, some of the opposition leaders had gone to the extent of even saying that what will we do with the waters that we have? And here's where the action comes in. There's a meeting that has taken place between Home Minister Amit Shah as well as the Jal Shakti Minister, and that will be taking place soon. Now, India is looking to revive some of the key hydropower projects, especially in Jammu and Kashmir. So with this decision taken, not just is it going to help the people in the country, for Pakistan as well, it is going to cause some nervousness because the development of the hydroelectric project to utilize India's share of river water is going to begin in full swing. This means that the waters can be diverted to other areas, and in areas especially in Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh as well, the water project is going to be of extreme significance. So the action has begun already. Remember, the decision to put the Indus Water Treaty in abeyance had been taken by the government, and immediately after that we saw the reaction within Pakistan. Pakistan is well aware of the impact that it could have, and now the decision also likely on the hydropower projects, especially in the Jammu and Kashmir region. Now that the Indus Water Treaty has been put in abeyance, the hydropower projects can come in place. Not just that, they're going to be fast-tracked, which means that the government is going to come in with precision and is going to ensure that the hydropower projects are put in place. So this is going to help the residents of Jammu and Kashmir, while in Pakistan there's absolute panic because it is well aware of the impact that it could have in Pakistan.